recipes.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Pooja's Recipes. So I'm going to show you a very quick recipe of this instant achar, or even you can say call it as pickle, but which is very healthy. I'm going to make amla pickle. It's instant one. You can also call it as a chutney, but as this can be stored for 15 to 20 days and it's used, we will just use very few ingredients to make, and it's really very tasty. Amla, as we all know, that it's how healthy it is. It has got all health benefits. So having it every day will make you more healthier. I've taken these around 14 to 15 gooseberries or amlas and cut them into pieces. I have taken out the seeds. These are 15 to 20 green chilies. It depends on you how much do you want to make it spicier. And around one big handful of ginger pieces. Salt, red chili powder, haldi powder, ajwain or carom seeds, and mustard oil. And this is just so exciting. This is just one step recipe. We don't have to do anything. We'll just put everything in the mixie, in the chopper, and it will be ready. See, I've added these green chilies, ginger, everything. I'm going to make it 2 goes because this is not too big. So just going to chop it. I haven't added any spices, just these 3 things. See, I've grinded this. This is coarse. I haven't added any water or anything. Just simply just put this in the blender and blend this. It should be coarse like this. I'm going to do the rest and show you. See, I've grinded all these amlas and everything together now. This is ready. Just going to add these spices to it. Little bit of haldi, red chili powder. We have already added green chilies, so you have to see according to your taste. And I put chilies, I de-seed them mostly, but in this, because just to make it a little more spicier, I have taken out seeds of half chilies and half I've kept like that with seeds. So if you want to make it less spicy, just take out the seeds. This red chili powder, salt also according to taste, and ajwain also, carom seeds around almost half a teaspoon. And finally, this is the thing which is going to give it a very good flavor. This is mustard oil, edible mustard oil. This 2 big spoons, almost 1 and 2. This is ready now. I'm just going to mix it and serve it. See, I've served this amla chutney or pickle, whatever you can say. It's really healthy also. It's very tangy, spicy, and full of health benefits. Enjoy with any meal, with dal chawal, roti, sabji, anything. It's going to add and enhance your flavor of the food. Please do try and comment. And also you can store up to 10 to 15 days depending on the temperature where the country you live in. And it can keep very fresh in fridge for 15 to 20 days. So just make it once and enjoy for around 1 to 2 weeks. Please do try and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.